Alright guys, here's an example of how to use the TI calculator for the expected value or the means and standard deviations. So if we were in our calculator and let's see, so here's my probability distribution table. I need to put that information into my calculator. I need to put my x values. These are my possible outcomes, or sometimes there are net values. So let's put them in our calculator. In L1, then in L2 we are going to put in the probabilities. Remember, these probabilities should add to 1. So we get these values in. And now to calculate the mean and the standard deviation, I go to Stat, Calc, always 1 var stat. We do not hit 2 var stats. And if your calculator looks like mine, we're going to have to do L1, comma, L2. If you are doing it with a newer version of this calculator, some of the 84s have this, you'll still hit 1 var stats. In your list it'll say L1, and then in your second row it says frequency, and that's when you'll put L2. Again, to get L1 and L2 you hit second and either the number 1 or 2, and that'll bring up L2 or L1. So we get our values. My mean is 1.171. It says 2 decimal places, so 1.17. And then it asks for my standard deviation, which is 0.85 to 2 decimal places. Oh, and then they ask us some more questions. Unusualness. So I think that's based off of the 5% rule. But that's something for y'all to figure out. But that's how we can use the calculator. If you have questions, let me know. Have a great weekend.